Good morning. It is Saturday the 15th of May.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another camping trip. We are going to go camping. Look at Mummy wiggling her butt and farting off her pants. Let's go. Time now.
I'm sorry about that, everybody. He's nearly seven. Farting is his word of the year.
State, I'm not farting
I'm
off
just
my
connected to your phone, Rich.
butt, and I'm not farting anything.
Okay.
I'm a lady.
Let's. Yeah, you are. Let's let's start again. It
Okay.
is Saturday, the 15th of May.
Yeah.
There's been a
Change of plan.
change of plan. We were going to go somewhere that I'm not going to tell you about.
You don't have any events in your calendar for today.
Thank you, Siri. That's for another video where we were going to go, because I thought we were going to keep that a secret.
But because of the weather.
Because of the weather, it wasn't far from us, the original
I know
spot.
the
This
secret,
is.
Daddy.
Shh.
When I looked at Google and on your website, I saw a Dorset secret.
Oh, a Dorset secret.
Wow, Dorset secret. So we are going to Dorset. An hour away makes all the difference in the weather. It's going to be horrendous near where we are this afternoon.
Daddy, Dorset Blue Pool.
That's where we went last time, darling. So it's distracted. So yeah, so it's an hour's drive. It makes a difference. It's going to rain really bad here this afternoon, but tomorrow, where we're going this afternoon is going to be hopefully just cloudy.
Dry.
So it is a place called Hunter's Moon. It's another caravan and motorhome club site. Our second one that we've been to.
It's right near Wareham.
Near Wareham,
Forest.
so we're going to cycle into
So we've got
Wareham,
our bike.
see some sights around the
My
key.
lovely granddad.
We may bump into Grandad, and
Have we got the bicycle helmets in?
yes, we've got the bike cameras in. We forgot one last time. That's it. We are going to
That's
go, and we'll see you there.
Bye.
Food.
And real quick before we start here, if you like this video, why not go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you really like the video, head over and subscribe to the channel. So yes, we are now taking a slightly longer drive heading west to Wareham. Let's hit the road. So the blue skies made the start of the drive a very pleasant one. But in the distance, the clouds looked ominous, and it wasn't long before the rain came.
Let's hope that rain shower wasn't a sign of things to come. We're supposed to be leaving the rain behind us. Hopefully we are. It looks brighter up ahead. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Welcome to Hunter's Moon Caravan Park, and we left New Forest to escape the rain. Come to the sunny climes of Wareham. And it's just started to pour down, but we are expecting that one shower, so it's all stop. Hopefully once that's gone, we are going to go out on the bikes. I'll show you around the campsite at some point, or maybe in a different video. We've just had lunch, and you hear the rain. It did say heavy rain at 3 o'clock.
We are back up.
So we've gone from terrible rain to blue skies, which is what we were expecting. So we are now going out on the bikes. Let me show you the skies. So we're going to take a bike ride into Wareham, check out the pubs as always, because we always go to the pub when we're out on these camp visits, and see what's around the area. So let's do that now. Now the main road coming into the site is a busy fast road, but there is access to Wareham via the Wareham Forest Way, and you can access it from this gate near the toilet block. If you come out through this gate and turn left, you will eventually find yourself into Wareham, as you'll see.
But be prepared.
Mummy on camera falling in.
If it rains, this is what you might have to deal with.
Scary.
Hatchet pond.
So we've just come down from campsite. There was a gate leading on this path all the way into Wareham. But it's really boggy, isn't it? It's really flooded as well, as you can see. The whole path is flooded there, so we've had to take this little detour, and we're now going to head up that path and round that corner, and hopefully this won't be the last time. Hopefully we'll make it and this won't be the last you hear of me, but I guess if this is uploaded then we made it. I'm not sure if that's clear on the camera, but that's the way.
We should have done.
This is the path, I think, that's flooded. And we had to go kind of round that way.
Made it through.
And now, yeah, you might actually know what, it's probably not that deep. If you stop, if you get stuck or you sink, then you'll get
Well,
soaked.
if I sink, I could swim my way back up.
You could. Now we're going out that way. So at this precise moment in time, I cannot recommend this path because it is so muddy. We just had to walk our bikes through what you just saw. And I think it's probably about 100 yards where it was really, really bad. But now it looks like it gets a bit better. So hopefully we'll be at the pub soon. Okay, this could be hilarious. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Now we have to make it around this, Mummy.
I'm filthy.
Now we have to make it around this, Mummy.
You like
I
that?
thought it was going to fall off.
It looks like we need to do that.
Oh yeah, your back is very dirty. Just splattered up the back.
Mummy, they're not-
She made it! So we've gone a bit further. There was a crossroads where you could go left to the main road and one of the pubs, or sort of straight on into Wareham. In the state of the path, we've decided to go left
Mummy.
because I think the other side of the road is Wareham Forest,
That's what idea it is.
and I think the paths are better that side. So
I'm trying to do this.
Oh no, it's really slimy just
and that's the way we're heading. Okay, we have just come out of there. There is a path there, I promise, and I think we are now on the Wareham. Oh, this is a continuation of it, I think, because the Wareham Forest Way is where we've just come from, and it's also the Wareham Forest Way this way. So we're hoping that this way will be better better paths for the bikes, because everyone's very muddy, aren't they, Max? Let's have a look at your brand new trainers.
Well, look at me. Wow. That's what I thought these things would do.
Mummy's got a few. It's not too bad actually.
Back of my bike is filthy.
Let's continue.
So this road we're about to cross here is called Carey Road, and if we were to turn left in a couple of miles we would be nearing Wareham, but we weren't sure of how busy the roads were, so we continued cross country, and it was very pretty countryside to be cycling through as well. Although we are about to find out that we shouldn't be cycling on this path at all.
No, I don't think we have to go through there because that's all boarded up. Oh, it is through there. Jesus.
What?
How are we going to get through there? Is it through there?
What? What was that? How did you...
And this man pointed out the error of our ways, although he did mention that some of the no cycling signs had been removed.
Where's that you are? Oh, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks.
Right, someone's got to shut the gate.
But he gave us a clean route and a good way to get into Wareham, and it's not long before we are off cycling again. We went along a road, under a bridge, over a bridge, and before we knew it, we were in Wareham.
Let's walk now, Max.
And here we are at the old granary on Wareham Quay. We've managed to nab a table overlooking the River Frome, which is very pleasant.
Welcome to the old granary. We've been here before, and you have ordered your...
Why?
And as always, we're at the pub.
And after this one, we cycle back to the campsite for tea at the camper van.
So we have made it back to the camper van. We cheated and came back the road, well, partly the roadway
I wasn't
because
cheating because the other way was just too
the other way was just so muddy. I don't think I took enough photos and videos to appreciate it, but it was really muddy. We came back a bit more of a civilized way. We had to do a little bit on the road, but Max was great. He handled the road really well. And we are now back at the camper van having pasta bolognese with salad and champagne truffles with mildly toasted garlic bread with parmesan cheese on. And I may have made some of those up.
But we could have gone to the pub, but Max had been told at the pub, and we could have got a takeaway, but we bought food.
Takeaway was an option. Could have ate at the pub, but Max was scared. Like Suzanne said,
And I'm trying to be healthy.
And my mum was trying to be healthy. So that is the spaghetti bolognese cooking. Smells good. Max is playing some music. Hopefully none of the music will come out on the video, otherwise I won't be able to put it on YouTube, but there you go. See you later. And I forgot to say, of course, Max did that bike ride as well, and we forget sometimes that he's 6, and he just did a 7-mile bike ride with us.
Uphill.
And he only complained. 48 times. I'm just kidding. So far, we think the campsite is really good. It's quiet, it's peaceful, which is what we like.
It's lovely. We've had a nice bike ride. We've come back to the camper van. We've had a nice dinner. It's nice and relaxing. There's not much noise. You feel like you're in the country here. Max, what do you think of the campsite?
I think it's rubbish. I hate it.
Oh, why is that, Max?
Because there's no internet.
Oh no!
This is a stupid iPad. I don't like my iPad anymore.
So that's it for day 1 of our trip here to... I've forgotten where we are now. Harvest Moon, I think it's called. It's spare time. We're going to play some games in the camper van before we settle down for the night, but I'll leave you with this half decent sunset and see you tomorrow.
As I get down like this, I got my feet tucked up to
Morning, everybody. Okay, so it is day 2 at Harmon's Moon campsites, and welcome to British springtime. You can probably hear the rain. We have to pack up today, and we're hoping that the rain will stop before we have to do that, but the forecast isn't that good, unfortunately. So, the first breakfast. So we're not far away from packing up, and this is everybody's verdict on Harmon's Moon campsite. Max is first. What do you like, Max?
First, I like all the sights, all the caravans and motorhomes.
And what don't you like?
I don't like the Wi-Fi.
The phone signal, you mean? So we didn't try the Wi-Fi. Okay, that's Max's.
So my verdict is that it's spacious pitches. It's nice and quiet, so it's not noisy or anything like that.
Okay.
The bathrooms are clean, they're very warm as well. I went in there this morning, and sometimes when you go camping, the bathrooms can be a bit on the chilly side. They were really
It
warm.
looks like Mummy.
And they were really warm in there. Washing up facilities are nice. Great.
Okay. My one favourite thing, I think, is the location. If that path wasn't that muddy, it would be really easy to get into Wareham.
Yeah.
And the thing I didn't like, I know it's 21st century problems, but there's no phone signal. So if you wanted to check social media or emails or news, you couldn't. That's it. And there we are, the end of our stay at Hunter's Moon. I got it right this time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and our latest vlog and our latest travel video. Don't forget, please give me a thumbs up if you found this video even the slightest bit entertaining, and subscribe to the channel if you found it really entertaining. And if you didn't, thank you for watching anyway. Safe travels, everyone. We will see you next time.